Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by mounting the camera or phone securely. Tighten the 1/4 screw until the device does not wobble because stability is critical for tracking. Once mounted, power the tripod. Charge to 100% or plug into USB-C to avoid mid-session shutdowns. Then turn on Bluetooth and open the companion app so the device and tripod can exchange orientation data. This pairing is what lets the tripod follow you. Make sure the camera lens is unobstructed and at eye level for accurate face detection and smoother tracking. You now calibrate the system to match your environment. Place the tripod about 3 to 6 ft from you and frame your head and shoulders so the algorithm has a clear reference. Once framed, start the calibration routine and follow the on-screen prompts. Slowly rotate 90 degrees if asked, because steady motion teaches the tracker your facial features. Next, adjust sensitivity and set pan/tilt limits so the tripod won't overreact. Also choose subject priority if multiple faces appear. These settings prevent jitter and keep your subject centered. You finish by rehearsing the intended shots. Move smoothly and avoid sudden spins or covering your face because trackers predict motion and need steady input. Make sure you use soft front lighting and minimize strong backlight, which confuses face detection. Once done, lock any manual angle limits and begin recording. If tracking fails, first restart the app, repair Bluetooth, and recalibrate. These steps clear temporary errors. If problems persist, check firmware updates and repeat calibration. Most faults resolve with a fresh pairing and correct lighting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.